Okay, guys. So sorry for the breakdown there. Yeah, it's first time, so it's a bit. All right. So let's wrap this guy in a pattern. It's a pattern. Let's put the pattern around this guy. That's going to be symmetric. That's for horizontal. We'll have zero, and then for vertical we'll have 10. So wrap it with a padding. So then from the padding, then straightforward, we come to the. Oh, guys, sorry. I've already added the widgets here. So this was a widget I was fighting with. So this was the widget I was fighting with. I've already added it already. Yeah. So everything is clean. So we can go ahead and like immediately pull it here. So we'll have in our body we'll be having the default layer. So default layer. So maybe call default layer. We'll have to require certain things. The child is required. So we'll have on refresh. With on refresh. For now, we won't give anything any serious function. But what we want to do is put an await over there. Put an await. And then put future. It's a return a future. Dot delay. Like we are just trying to return a feature dot delay. The duration is going to be in seconds. Milliseconds or 5. Yeah. This is just a test if the the function we place in is working. The await here is not working because of the async, because there's no async here. Yes. So with that, let's continue. So then we just do this, and then we can't. This new flutter flutter version is saying we can put a feature inside a widget. So what we'll have to do is put this function there. If mounted, if mounted, it means if the if the if the widget is mounted, then we can proceed. So you can see it's still showing a red line. So the reason why there's a red line is because of the child widget. The child widget will give it a column, single child school view, single child school view, and the children in the child will be a column. The column will have children. Guys, we've not saved anything, so let's save it and then see the results. Like save it and then see Control S to see the results. Yeah, so you can see anything, but maybe you pull. If you pull, you can't see. There's nothing happening. There's nothing happening right now. Let's try and add something to it and see how it's going to react. Let's just put a container. Just put a container of color red, and then width of 100, height 100, and then let's save it. Okay, it's showing, but immediately if we pull, see it's not taking any effect, not taking any action here. So let's run again. Let's run everything from scratch and see how it's going to be like. So let's pull again. If we pull, it's still not taking any action. Let's go back straight to our default layer and look for the faults from there. So the faults will be coming from the fault. Let's figure everything out. I want all of it. We are learning together, so let's get it straightforward. So where is your fault coming from? Checking my codes well. see what do yes, I've loaded it here. Default layer. Give it duration. Before layer on press if not image as school view column. Yeah, exactly the same thing. But let's stop everything and then run it and then see. Let's stop it and then run it. Stopping it and running. Let's see if everything will work for us. Hmm. I know I don't know. Maybe it's working. Maybe it's not working. The tutorials I'm giving right now. I know it's kind of like somehow, but there's always a first time. There's always a first time in everything we do. I'm still pulling, but it's not taking action. Let's check the reason why. Let's check the reason why from these are default layer. We give them give it all of this. Duration, delay feature, solution. So I'm sure the fault will come from our default layer. So let's check our default layer. So our default layer will have is having we've given it every single necessary widget, child, the widget is child, the on refresh. Let's see, move child down. Oh, let's move the child down. So let's build save it and see. Still not taking effect. Wow. Wow. Let's check. Let's check if it's our code. Definitely coming from our code. So let's check it very well. Come on. Stories. Child. Okay. Let's change. This should be changed to child. And then like hit save. Let's hit save and then pull and see. Like let's check if we have any error. There are no errors here. Let's how to restart. If you pull it, it's not taking effect. Wow. I don't want to end the tutorial. I don't want to stop the tutorial and like figure it out and then come back. I want us all to figure it out. Value controller width 30 starting off like this and then I become good at it. Practice makes man perfect. I don't know if that saying is correct, but let's see. Give the padding, give it a refresh, give the stack, context, build, widget, child, controller, indicator, controller, stack, 35, position this 35, top 35, right? Just see. Like, what the circle progress indicator, value, it's loading. Guys, I still can't figure out the issue. I still can't figure the issue out. The body. This is a search. This. Whoa. See, if you pull, it's not pulling. Let's figure the issue out. So it's 100 controller outlets. Let's start from the top, which is padding. We give the padding. We give it the custom refresh indicator, and from there, put the custom refresh indicator. Give it positioned. We should return a stack. Widget return. Let's go custom on refresh child. So context widget child indicator is child. controller, indicator controller is controller. It's here. So then we have a return of stack. Having children, top 35.0. Yeah. But at least you should pull. If you pull, you should pull. Then the right should have, as in for the like as in for the circle, the top should be 35.0, and then the right side should move to the middle, so the center. So right divided by 2, so the screen divided by 2 is going to be at the center of the screen. Then we come to the size box. The size box is just like a space where the container, where the progress bar will be contained. And I give it the color, give it a controller. Let's stop this thing again, and then like start all the way. It's like this section is for is for problem solving. It's like I'm rewriting the code again. I wrote the code myself. Let's start everything again and see. Let me just try to find it. I'm just gonna find the internet. Still, wow. 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 Guys, I'll pause this tutorial, like I'll pause it, figure it out, and then like get back to you guys. Okay, it's like it's becoming a bit dull, so let's just stop it.